welcoming you all to the Desi Dhakar Social Impact Awards 25-26. And thank you all of you for being here. So today's evening is actually dedicated to individuals and organizations that are not just imagining better India, but they're actually building it. One community at a time, one initiative at a time, one courageous step at a time. That is why we are here. We are here to salute all those unstoppable Indian women who have become the agents of progress. I, on behalf of Desi Dhakar Initiative, conceptualized by Ethawire AI, powered by RB Foundation, co-hosted by NSE Social Stock Exchange, I am Kavita and I'm the host for the evening, and I'm very happy to welcome you all here. This keynote is by someone who has witnessed the transformation of India's economic and institutional landscape, who continues to support all platforms that strengthen the country's social economic system. Dr. Harish Ahuja heads Sustainability, Product and Strategy Development, Power and Carbon Markets, and the Social Stock Exchange at NSE.
I would encourage many such award, and I told Jyoti that it should be a ritual in terms of annual event. But the idea is come with the impact stories. May this awardees, may this jury member continue this journey of wisdom, philanthropy in a transparent manner, and they keep blessing Social Stock Exchange at NSE again and again. Your journey in the future forward be impactful, prosperous, and nation building. Thank you. Namaskar. Jai Hind.
Today I stand before you as a mentor for this very important Desi Dhakar Social Impact Awards.
As a board member of Ethawire.ai, it's my absolute honor and privilege to welcome you to the unveiling of Shakti Credits.
I think today's conversation is not just timely, but as we see, is very transformational.
In private equity, which is where I spend a lot of time now, there are initiatives like Women in Private Equity, WINPE, which are trying to now open up opportunities for more women to become partners in funds. But we need to see many more role models and more opportunities. I think that's what will take us to Viksit Bharat.
So, can you all join me for an amazing experience of Shakti Reimagined, how we look at Shakti in a very different way.
So we are getting to the event and I'm here to present the awards. Let's get the evening started.
These awards were actually created because we realized that a lot of transformation is actually happening away from the headlines. And Desi Dhakar platform took it as a responsibility to bring it on the national stage. We want to bring these stories and driving force and recognize these leaders and institutions that are transforming life. We want to remind ourselves that impact is not just a concept, it is a commitment.
Women should not play cricket, stay in the kitchen. Let me tell you, those same people are working with me side by side.
I got a call from MD office that someone is going to interview you. Finally, when we were recording the interview, I remember, suddenly in the between of the interview, she came with a surprising question. How I, as a founder of Ethawire, can support women founders to get listed more SME companies. And then the second question was, there could be some concession for female founders to come and list on SME. I said, you are a very progressive, dynamic, confident lady. Don't ask for concession. Prove yourself and come and list here. And finally, I think she landed here in the Social Impact Award for Females.